Looking for an 8-inch speaker for your next custom build? Check out the EUPHORIA EX8NPS CF. This is a very special speaker on account of the fact that there are very few two-way options in the 8-inch size. This would be a perfect addition to your next custom door panel build, adding heaps more mid-range extension in comparison to smaller speakers, while still maintaining a shallow mounting depth on account of this high-powered neodymium magnet. But these aren't just for cars. A lot of fairing and bag manufacturers, such as Insane Asylum Motorsports, are now making components which utilize larger 8-inch drivers. For example, these are some custom bags utilizing dual 8s in each lid. Also, the BMF lowers are another way to take advantage of the larger cone area offerings of an 8-inch speaker, with the beauty of it all being that you have a built-in tweeter right there to cover the higher end of the sound spectrum. You can check these out at local authorized dealers or at our website, euphoriacaraudio.com.